changing out a furnace. In place, I'm going to be using these coil jacks made by Supco. Or Whitcop? I thought they were Supco. Anyway, I'm going to get this furnace changed out. This, bring it in, all right? Slide that down, start jacking. Just gonna bring that coil up, see? All right, so this baby just slides right on out. Just like that, baby. Boom, boom, boom. Coil stays right there. We're gonna bring this baby down. All right, I got a mic knot, Eddie. Huh? I got a mic knot, my hole, my knot. All right, go, let's go. Just don't hit those things, okay?
Mm-hmm. I got it, I'm holding it.
Look at that, like butter, Eddie. How you like them apples, huh? Yeah.
We're gonna drop it down, or we're gonna put something here.
Oh yeah. No, we're dropping it right straight down, brother.
Oh really?
We're going down, bro.
For ankle.
Yeah, we're good, bro. Okay.
I don't know why we were.
I don't either, man. That's
right.
Okay, we're good, brother.
We're good.
Okay, so now we just tape this thing up.
You got tape? I'm good.
I got tape right here. I got tape. I got a squeegee. I'm gonna get this gas line in order, okay? And I gotta go get my my cutter.
Okay.
All right. All right. I'll be back, buddy. Buddy. Buddy, what's up, buddy? Oh.